In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for restaurant marketing ideas, fast and easy. Google Trends is an incredibly valuable tool that provides insights into what people are searching for most frequently. By understanding these trends, you can tailor your marketing strategies to better attract and engage your customers. First up, you'll want to navigate over to Google Trends. Open your web browser and type Google Trends in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the main Google Trends page where you'll find a wealth of information waiting to be explored. Once you're there, your next step is to click on Explore. This is the area where you'll dive deeper into the specifics of what people are searching. For restaurant owners, this is where the magic happens. It's about finding those exact topics or keywords that resonate most with your audience. Now, think about keywords relevant to your restaurant or niche, for instance. If you specialize in vegan food, type in vegan restaurants. If you're known for your quick delivery, you might try pizza delivery or sushi near me. Enter the keywords that best represent your offerings. After entering your keywords, hit Enter. Immediately, Google Trends will generate data based on your input. However, it's crucial to set the location filters to get more relevant data. Select your city, region, or country. Focusing on local trends allows you to tap directly into what potential customers in your area are interested in, rather than a broader global picture. Next, it's time to analyze the interest over time. Here, you'll set the time frame, either looking at data from the past 12 months or even the past 5 years. This will help you identify patterns, whether certain trends are steady or rising, and which ones might be in decline. Don't overlook seasonal spikes either, as these can guide you on when to plan special promotions or new menu introductions. Scroll down to explore related topics and queries next. These sections reveal rising interests or queries and top searches that are consistent over time. This insight allows for innovation in your menu or marketing strategies, such as introducing special promotions around popular searches like a vegan burger. Another useful tip is to compare multiple keywords by clicking on Plus Compare. You can enter up to 5 related keywords and see which of these has captured greater or increasing interest. This comparative analysis helps you refine your focus to qualify top performers or to innovate in areas showing potential growth. Finally, leverage these insights to plan campaigns and promotions. Use trend data to schedule your social media posts or ads during peak interest times. Highlight popular dishes or cuisines that are trending to draw more attention to your restaurant in the digital space. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can use Google Trends to gain insightful data, keep your restaurant relevant in the fast-changing market, and engage effectively with your audience through strategic marketing campaigns.